There are three steps we can follow when we multiply a decimal number to another decimal number. First, we remove the decimal points from the two numbers. Then we multiply the two numbers as we would normally, and then we insert back the decimal point. So in this video, we're going to look at how to apply these steps to the following examples on the right. Our first example, we're going to multiply 0.2 by 0.3. First step, we remove the decimal points from the two numbers so that we have 0.2 times 0.3. The two zeros at the front are insignificant, so this is the same as 2 times 3. Next step, we multiply the numbers together. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Then we insert back the decimal point. The number of decimal places the answer will have will depend on the total number of decimal places that there are in the question. 0.2 times 0.3, we've got one decimal place, two decimal places. So from the right of 6, we're going to move the decimal point 2 places to the left and fill in the gaps with 0. So that 0.2 times 0.3 is equal to 0.06. Second example, 0.04 times 0.3. First step, ignore the decimal points. We have 0.04 times 0.3. The zeros are insignificant. This is the same as 4 times 3. Second step, multiply the numbers. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. We then need to insert back the decimal point, checking how many decimal places there are. 1, 2, and 3. So from the right, we're going to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 places to the left, fill in the gaps with 0, and so 0.04 times 0.3 is equal to 0.012. Next one, 0.06 times 0.005. Remove the decimal points. We have 0.06 times 0.005. All the zeros at the front are insignificant, so we have 6 times 5. Second step, multiply the numbers together. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. And then we have to determine the total number of decimal places there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from the right of 30, we're going to move the decimal point 5 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fill in the gaps with 0. So the answer to 0.06 times 0.005 is equal to 0.00030. This last 0 at the end is insignificant, so this can also be written as 0.003. Two more examples. We've got 1.2 times 0.4. So the first step, we're going to remove the decimal points from the two numbers. So we have 12 times 0.4. The 0 in front of the 4 is insignificant. So this is the same as 12 times 4. We then multiply 12 and 4 together to get 48. Then we look at the total number of decimal places there are. 1, 2. So from the right of 48, we're going to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So our answer is equal to 0.48. Last example, 3.12 times 2.3. Ignoring the decimal points, we have 312 times 23. We're going to solve this by a long multiplication. 312 times 23. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Add a 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Then we add the two numbers together to get 7176. We then need to determine the total number of decimal places there are. There's 1, 2, and 3. So from the right of 7176, we're going to move the decimal point 3 places to the right. So our final answer to this question is 7.176. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you guys enjoy that. For more videos, please have a look at our channel and don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you all in the next one. Bye for now.